The Amazon rainforest, located in South America, is a vast and biodiverse ecosystem. Spanning across several countries, it is home to a remarkable array of plant and animal species. The dense canopy, winding rivers, and rich vegetation create a breathtaking landscape. However, the Amazon faces threats from deforestation and climate change, making its preservation crucial. This magnificent rainforest serves as the lungs of the earth, producing oxygen and regulating the planet's climate. Protecting the Amazon is essential for the well-being of our planet and the preservation of its unparalleled biodiversity.